Hello everyone, my name is JJ Walia and I'm from AIM Consulting. In this video, I'm going to go over how to dynamically change a visual within a Power BI report. In Power BI, you can change a visual in a report by having edit rights, and that's one where you can go into the visualization panel and select a different type of visual for your visualization you currently have in the report to change it to. Keep in mind, this type of change in edit mode does make you save your changes, which will impact the underlying report. So in this example, I'm in edit mode. I'm going to change this stack bar chart to a trend line. Now I have my month over month sales in a trend line, which is a lot clearer to see for trends, but it did impact the original report. And now I have to rechange this back to a bar chart for everyone else to look at it and have it the same. So this is not definitely the best approach. So dynamically changing this on the fly is a different method where you're not in edit mode, obviously. So that's one way to make sure you're not impacting the original report. Secondly, we're again using the switch method in Power BI that basically allows us to switch which visualization we choose in our slicer to make sure we override the existing visual that's showing in the Power BI report. So to save you time, I've already pre-built an example of that here. I have a measure slicer, I have a x-axis slicer which I can change it dynamically, but we're not going to go over that right now. We're going to go over the visual piece here. So I have the visual here of total sales versus last year's total sales by education, and in here I have my slicer, which again is a image version of a slicer compared to previous slicers, which you would just show a text version. But here basically it's giving me the same picture format I have here in the visualization panel of certain visuals that I may use. So I'm going to, again, put us in the view mode where we're not seeing these. We can edit it. And right here, right now, I have this stack column chart. And what I'm going to do is change it to an area chart. So right away, it changes it to an area chart. Again, this is not that clear. So if I was a user, I would probably not use this particular example. But let's say I wanted to go back to that trend line. Now I see my trend for total sales versus last year, or if I wanted to do my pie chart or a donut chart, you can see how dynamically it does change on the fly, or a stacked area chart. That's a pretty good one. And then the new ribbon chart also is good. So this is a great way for us to allow a user to dynamically change this report on the fly, specifically the visual, which is right now impossible to do unless you have edit rights. But we have figured a way to do that. I've created this dynamic approach so a user can change the visual based on what they need in their insights. Thank you.